So again, the practice test has the exact same list of possible questions as the real test. So if you take it a few times, you should have a pretty good feel for what the real test is going to look like. Also, here on this front page, I wish it kind of showed if there was something there. It doesn't, but if you hit view course documents, there's test 1 question pool. If you want to see every possible question that could be on the test, there it is. Well, the numbers for all of them are. You still have to actually look up the questions. So, have y'all ever seen these lists before? Have you had Miss Roller or something? Seen them? Some of you. Okay. So, basically, let me tell you how this works real quick. If you look at the side, you notice there's a lot of number 1s. And then there's a lot of number 2s, a lot of number 3s, all the way down to a lot of number 16s, I think. Yeah. Whenever you come in and take your actual test, MathXL will randomly pick 1 question from each of those groups, and that will be your test. So it may not be like the number 1 group might not be the first question on the test, but yeah. Anyway, if you want to get a preview, see what those questions are, you can say you want to know, hey, what's this 1.2.13? Well, you can go to MathXL, go over here to study plan. There's view all chapters. So if I want to know 1.2.13, well, that's chapter 1, section 2, and then number 13. And remember, I mean, you can bring in as many notes and stuff as you want. So, well, this one's kind of silly because it's just multiple choice. But I have had students in the past. Oops, no, let's just let me solve this. Let me go to a different one. It's somewhere you're actually computing something. So let's go to like chapter 3. Didn't like that question was on there. I'm not sure if it is or not. It's on the head. So go to question help. They'll hit view an example. They'll click down all the way through. So it has the example completely worked out. And then they'll hit print. And there's that problem completely worked out. So, of course, the numbers are random or whatever, so that'll change. But you can, anyway. I've known students that want to do that. Of course, the problem is, I mean, you saw that question list. It's like 13 pages. So, if you have very good organizational skills, you can do that in a 55-minute test. If you don't, then it's probably, I mean, I have had students that have spent the entire test flipping through all their stacks of paper and only got 2 questions up. So but that is a possibility if you want to do that. And again, the test is a week from today. So we'll take another practice test on Wednesday, but for now, I guess we need to go ahead and learn homework 4 that way. Whenever it becomes due the Tuesday after the test,